Selvaraja, SSC, working at EME workshop Avadi. My father is a farmer. Coming from village background family. I am the first person working in Roman organization. I have completed 28 years of service in railway. I have been selected for the national Railway Award at national level for the conversion of heritage locomotive by converting existing 25 kV memo as a steam heritage special. It is a first of its kind of in railways. It is appraised by every public. It was inaugurated by our Honorable Prime Minister on 31st October 2023. It is working successfully in between Ahmedabad and Ekta Nagar. It is now it is the train is working for April of passengers, no vacancy with a waiting list. It is giving a feel like steam train, but it is working in 20 kV AC supply. This work I was nominated as a super in charge of this project. Our entire team of Karshad Avadi worked together and completed the project in time. I can say thanks to our CND sir and our all team for completing the project within the project time. The family also supported. This award is for national level in the lifetime achievement. I am very happy to say and proudly saying as a railwayman, thanks to Indian Railways.